They should get a bigger wheel in there.
They're kind of smart because
They can't move it alone.
Because one of them can't move it. Do all three of them.
Oh my god, look at that one climbing. Look at these ones sleeping through the thing. Oh, they fell off. Oh, it can't do it by itself. It's like, come on. One sleeping in there.
Are you still recording?
Yeah. It's like, how do I get in here?